far side of the racetrack this morning at Churchill Downs. A tandem, a Dallas Stewart tandem, and also a half-mile breeze. So on the inside, as they poke their heads out there, on the inside that is our friend Baudette Blizzard, and on the outside that's Cavalry Charge. So the two most forward of the West Point 2-year-olds here at Churchill Downs, I'd have to say. We'll do another half-mile as they progress towards an eventual start. I've begun the beguine. I think this is their second official half-mile. Both look like they're handling things nicely. So far, so good. Well in hand. Both are doing it with good energy and relative ease. Not a lot of movement here from both either rider. I like what I see here. This is good. Very nice. Very, very, very nice for Baudette and Cavalry Charge. Two colts, or excuse me, two 2-year-olds, one a gelding, one a colt, that are progressing in a really nice forward manner towards their first start. I'm happy. And we'll continue to get the gallop out, and they're both doing it like you want to see them do it.